Welcome to Super Crew. We need help cutting a tree. Let's use the skid steer from Trees by Jake. And we have a grapple truck to lift branches into the bucket truck. Are you ready for this adventure, Super Kid?
Hey Dana, what is that?
A grabber.
Is that a little grabber? Whoa! Where's it going?
There.
We're gonna cut some trees!
This is a Ditch Witch skid steer, and it has a claw attached to the front to pick up heavy tree branches. Oh, hey look! It's a bucket truck. It's also called a boom truck. These trucks have large hydraulic motors to power the retractable bucket lift. See? Look here! The bucket truck lifted the worker over 50 feet in the air. Now he can use his chainsaw and reach branches in tall places. Timber! Hey, look! It's a tree climber. This worker uses ropes and pulleys to keep him from falling down. Let's watch him climb over and use his chainsaw. Are you ready to cut some trees, Supers?
Yes!
Wow, that was so cool. Let's use our long-reach chainsaw. These chainsaws help the workers trim the tree from the ground. See? Let's watch them use teamwork to trim the tree. Whoa! Great job! All right, Supers, are you ready to use the chainsaw to cut down this big tree? Timber! Great work, Supers. Super Kid, bring the tractor over. It's time to pick up branches. Okay, go ahead and use super speed while we count how many you can do.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Great job, Super Kid. Now let's go deliver these branches to the dump site. Watch out for cars. Oh, hey, the skid steer wants to help pick up a large load of branches. Stand back, everyone. Those tree branches look really heavy. This skid steer has a powerful grabber claw. It can pick up heavy tree logs or a lot of branches at once. Awesome! Hurry up, Super Kid. The skid steer is right behind you, and we need to unload the tree branches first.
Do you like helping them, Super Kid?
Yes!
Tell us what you like doing.
Picking up blocks.
You like picking up trees? You like using your chainsaw? Okay, are we gonna use your chainsaw too?
Yeah.
Okay, hurry up and get the wood.
Great job! You finished just in time before the skid steer drops off the heavy load of tree branches. I hear the grapple truck turning on. Let's find a safe area to watch the grabber claw in action. Look! Here it comes, Supers! The worker operates the claw from the back of the truck. This helps for a clear view to grab massive piles of tree branches, like this. Once you cut down your tree, the grapple truck will clean up everything. Hey, did you hear that? It's the new chainsaw song. Let's listen to it, Supers.
The tree fell down, let's call Super Crew. Get your chainsaws and grease tanks too. Don't forget the bucket truck. Grab your climbing gear and start your skid steer. We love chainsaws, yes we do. Cutting some trees down and trimming them too. Chainsaws and grabber claws. Stacking branches, let's cut some wood. The tree fell down, let's call Super Crew. Get your chainsaws and grease tanks too. Don't forget the bucket truck. Grab your climbing gear and start your skid steer. We love chainsaws, yes we do. Cutting some trees down and trimming them too. Chainsaws and grabber claws. Stacking branches, let's cut some wood. We love chainsaws, yes we do. Cutting some trees down and trimming them too. Chainsaws and grabber claws. Stacking branches, let's cut some wood.
Wow! That was an awesome song. The tree workers are leaving now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like our content, hurry back for more adventures. We will see you later, supers. Bye! Remember, stay super.
Powering up with super gloves. We're having adventures. It's super fun. Super crew.